Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to delete your Fantasy Premier League account. Make sure that you are connected to your internet. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get straight into the process. Open any of the browser available in your device, that may be Google, Chrome or Safari. Here I will be using Google. Here I go. Now at the top you can see that search bar. Type there users.premierleague.com. Now you have to fill up this information. Firstly, you have to enter your email address here. Now you have to enter your password here. After you are done, you have to tap on sign in. Now you can see different options here. Scroll down. Here you can see the option manage profile. Tap on that. Now you can see again different options as update profile, delete account. You have to tap on delete account option. Now again you have to enter your password here. Tap on confirm password. Okay, the password is incorrect. I will be entering again my password. Tap on confirm password. Again you have to tap on confirm. You can see that I have easily deleted my Fantasy Premier League account. In this way, you can also delete your Fantasy Premier League account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.